So hello friends, welcome to my channel Jobonimus, and in today's video I am going to discuss about openings in Amazon Kindle department where freshers as well as experienced candidates can apply, and even those people who do not have very good communication skills in English can apply here because certain regional languages are open for these roles and good communication skills in English are not required for some of the job roles. So if you are looking for that kind of job, be there in the video till the end, and we are going to discuss eligibility, how to apply, and the interview related questions. So let's start today's video. But before that, it's a random shout out to my subscriber Tarun Pillai. He has given a very valuable comment that he has written, this channel deserves more viewers, subscriber better than BBK Wines and Kariminati. So it's a random shout out for him. I don't know if this will ever happen or not, but it's a really valuable comment, and that is why I support you to please like my videos and comment on them, because if you do that, YouTube algorithm will promote my videos and I'll be able to give you more content absolutely free of cost. So let's start today's video, where first opening is for digital content associate in Amazon Kindle department for Hindi language, and this is not the digital content associate that I uploaded earlier for Amazon App Store. This is a different role. Here the eligibility is that you need to be any graduate, you need to have good communication skills in Hindi. English, good communications not required, but at least you should know English, but good communications is not required. MS Office skills in Excel and Word, you should be good with numbers and you should be a good team player. So these kind of skills are required. So what your job here will be is to perform ebook quality checks on web pages. So you will have to proofread the ebooks of Amazon that Amazon wants to upload on its Kindle, and you will have to perform quality checks in the sense that you have to check for grammatical mistakes, these kind of things, so that the content is correct. So you have to be a quick learner to be able to work in this role. So you will have to use certain software tools, but Amazon will train you on that, so you don't have to worry about it. But you should be thorough with this Hindi language, both in speaking as well as writing. Then only you will be able to proofread these books and check for the errors that are there in grammar. So this kind of role it is. And not much information is available, but as far as I know, interview rounds, first they will take your transcription or translation test in Hindi. So, and there can be a grammar test also in Hindi. So they will check your Hindi skills, speaking as well as writing, and then there will be an HR interview. So this is the interview rounds. And I'll later also discuss the interview questions related to this job role. But the other one is for digital content associate, same but in Gujarati. So if you are good in Gujarati and know a little bit of English, then this role is for you. You can apply for this role. Skills, eligibility criteria, job description, everything is same as compared to what the previous role was about. So interview rounds are also same. Here they will check your Gujarati skills by transcription, translation, or grammar tests. Then similar role for digital content in Malayalam. So here they are going to check your skills in Malayalam. So if you know Malayalam and little bit of English, then you can apply for this one. Rest all is same. You will have to perform quality checks on ebooks. And if you want to work in their English department, then their English department is also open. But here you need to have very strong communication skills in English. You need to have other same skills, but instead of these regional languages, you should be thorough with English. So here you will be working in Amazon Kindle SGX department. So rest everything is same. Interview rounds, here they can take your English grammar test as well as Versant round. So I have given the link in the description box for these videos that I have already made. You can check those videos and prepare for this. Then there is digital content associate role for comics. So if you are a lover of comics, then this role is for you. But here you need to have good communication skills again in English. Rest skills are same, but here if you have knowledge of Adobe Photoshop also, it will be very helpful for you, because here you will have to work with language as well as animations, because you are aware that there are a lot of animations used in comics. So next everything is same. job description. Interview rounds here again will be English grammar, Versant, and HR interview. Now, what are the interview questions that they can ask you? They can ask you to talk about your personal or professional experience where you worked in a team. So you can talk about it. If you are a fresher, you can talk about your college project where you worked in a team and how you distributed the work among the team members. If you are experienced, you can talk about your experience in a company. Can you work in a fast paced environment? So I have already told you before also, for working in a fast paced environment, you should be able to work quickly and in deadlines, and you should also be able to do multitask. So you will have to learn a lot of skills to work in a fast paced environment. So these are the skills that are required. How do you keep yourself motivated? Because here they want a person to be a self starter. So I have already covered this question before also. You can check my videos. I am giving the link in the description. Then they can ask you, do you like to read books or comics? Because you will be working with books and comics. If you are applying for comics, then they can ask you about comics. So they can ask, what is the last book or comic that you read? So you should be aware of it. So while explaining it, you should be able to know about the author of the book, about the storyline of the book, these kind of things about the book. Then they can ask you why this role. So you can again talk about some other skills that you have, that you can say that you are multilingual or you have strong language skills like in Hindi or something else. Then they can ask you, what do you know about Amazon SGX? So you should be aware about this Amazon SGX Kindle department. They have already given it in the job description, so you can read about it there, and then you will be able to apply. And other questions that if you have experience, they can definitely ask you about your experience and how it is related to this role. So friends, now I'll just show you how you can apply for this role. So I'm giving this link in the description box for all these openings. So as an example, I have opened one such opening. So here you can view the job description. In the job description, they have clearly written about the work of this department, Kindle selection, growth and experience. So you can read about what this department does from here. So it is pretty simple, and then read the complete job description. Experience 0 to 2 years, basic graduation is required. And if you feel okay with that, you can just fill in these details, like how did you find about job, your contact details. And regarding this tricky part, I had told you before also. Now again I'll tell you that are you working currently? Total experience in months, you can enter 0 if you are a fresher. Are you working currently? You can enter no, there is not an issue. Or if you have worked in the past in for some internship kind of role, that experience you can mention there. Notice period, you can say you can join immediately or whatever is there. Current employer, last employer, here you can write not applicable. Or any company where you have done internship, you can mention its name. In last salary withdrawn, you have to enter here friends 0. So you cannot enter not applicable or something like that, I had told you before. But here you have to write 0 because you have to enter a number only if you are a fresher. Then you should have your PAN and Aadhaar card available with you, and submit your resume and photograph. So this is how you can apply to all these openings. I am giving the link in the description. So I hope this video would have been useful for you. So please do like this video and subscribe to my channel if you want to watch more such content in future, and I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.